What is good, y'all? It's your boy Shaundooe, and I am back with another video. Now, look, check me out today. We are going to be looking at something new. Bear with me. Hold on. For my people that want the music joints, hold on. Bear with me. Now, look, today we're gonna be trying something different. Today we're gonna be checking out Serious Fart. Final part. One Punch Man, chapter 168. Fan Funimation. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna lie, y'all know I like my anime. Y'all be seeing me with the Ikatsuki do-rag, Boondocks do-rag. Even though Boondocks is not an anime, it is. In my book, it is. It don't matter. But look, I just want to check this out. See how I flow. I ain't gonna lie, I wanted to check it out, so we checking it out. So let's just don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Let me know how you feel about this. And let's see what they talking about. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know too much about One Punch Man, but hey, let's get right into that shit, y'all. What bro say? Okay, the following this mission for all purpose entertainment. Do not. What? One Punch Man is owned by. Okay, you guys and one another. Please support the official release. All right. So you telling me they recreated Goku and Vegeta? That's what it seemed like. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Because, bro, One Punch Man, I heard Saitama was just, I know a little bit, but Saitama was the main character, and then now there's some guy that who looks like Galaxy Skin Fortnite character. All of a sudden he matches him. I don't know who's good. I don't know if he's bad or not. This must be him. I don't know his name, but I don't know. Apparently he's as equal to Saitama or something. I don't really know. Y'all let me know in the comments because I don't know too much about this. Put some pants on, brother. Bro went off of a fart. I ain't gonna lie, bro. That's what I like about anime, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I got goosebumps when all that just happened right there, bro. Like, goosebumps, man. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Give anime a try. All y'all who don't watch anime, give it a try. I ain't gonna lie. Start with Naruto, then Fairy Tail. I'm gonna give y'all a list after. song. I like that. And I like that outro. Bro won apparently off of a fart. See, I didn't even know what was going on to begin with, bro. But the fact that I was able to click on this joint and enjoy it and get some goosebumps after that, I ain't gonna lie. Stop playing with anime, bro. Yo, so that was okay. This was by Red Haired Guy. I like that. That's a crazy name. But this was Serious Fart Final Part. One Punch Man chapter 168. Fan Funimation. So I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. This was new to me. I don't know what's up with One Punch Man. Once again, don't quote me on nothing I said. Y'all just let me know what One Punch Man is about, if I should check it out and stuff like that. But what I was gonna say though, for y'all who don't watch anime, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna give y'all a list right quick. For sure, y'all don't have to listen to me, but it's just my list. I ain't gonna lie, definitely start with Naruto. Then you gotta watch Bleach. And if you watch Bleach, you gotta watch Fairy Tail. Then after Fairy Tail, you should go with Black Clover. And then finally, I guess you should go with Attack on Titan. What am I? Of course, Attack on Titan. I'm not throwing Dragon Ball Z in there because I don't count Dragon Ball Z as an anime. That show should have ended years ago. Goku is 6'9", and yeah, but yeah, like I'm saying though, you know, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Let me know what y'all feel about this. Don't forget to take care of yourselves. It's your boy Shaundooe checking out. I'm gonna talk to y'all in the next one, y'all.
She drop the roof, yeah. Drop the roof. Drop the roof, yeah. Drop the roof. Drop the roof. Don't want the bad shit to do. They pretend I'm the truth. Niggas saying drop the roof.